Do you want to learn how you can log in or sign in to HelloFresh account? Here's how you can do so. It's pretty simple and easy. First things first, all you gotta do is make sure that you have installed the HelloFresh meal kit delivery application installed on your device. That is, you can see on your screen right now. You can also head into hellofresh.com. However, either ways, you want to proceed to open up, you'll get the sign in option right away. You should get it. It'll ask you for necessary permissions if it is your first time installation and opening up. Then tap on continue here. Once you tap on continue, as you can see, as I mentioned earlier, it'll ask you for notifications. Now I'll allow these notifications here for now. And you can see the option here, sign up and log in. So whether you want to sign up or log in, if it is your first time logging into the application or the web, you want to sign up to the account, right? So select sign up. If not, you can tap on sign in. If you already have an account, select login option, and once you select login, enter in your login credentials or choose your particular Google account or Apple account associated with your account, and you should be able to log in. However, if it is your first time, select sign up. Let me show you the sign up process. Now you can get this exclusive offer. You can take it or you can select maybe later and then proceed here, as you can see, to the sign up page. So it'll verify that you are a human first, so you can see verification successful, waiting. So first, you want to select your profile here, enter in your zip code here. So once you enter in your zip code, you want to tap on next. And now you can see how many people will be eating. Just tell us who is hungry and we'll handle this. So number of adults you can select and number of kids. Then select next. Once you select next, what are your goals? To save money, to waste less food, to try new recipes, save time and such. So I'll select cookies here, save money as well, and try new recipes, and also waste less food, but you can select only up to 3 it seems. So tap on next. Now once you select next, you can see it, we have got just the ingredients. Tap on next again, just go through the prompts here. You can select here options if it is asking for options. So I'll select mostly meat, and you can select plants here that you would like to avoid, and you can skip all this part as well. Simply go through the next to go through the quick process. So now it's the checkout process. It'll teach you how you can check out and go through all these prompts, and you're good to go. It's actually pretty simple. I don't want to extend this video any further, so for now, hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also make sure to leave a comment down below if you have any questions regarding the app. Hope this video helped.